Welcome to our Bright Side Physics channel. This is Prasad. I am going to explain about the Verma solutions, chapter number 2, Physics and Mathematics. In that, the question number 12. Let A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A1 be a regular hexagon. All sides are equal. So, write the x components of the vectors represented by the 6 sides taken in order. Use the fact that the resultant of these 6 vectors is 0 to prove that cos 0 plus cos pi by 3 plus cos 2 pi by 3 plus cos 3 pi by 3 plus cos 4 pi by 3 plus cos 5 pi by 3 is equal to 0. Use the unknown cosine values to verify the result. Now, to answer this question, we have to use the fact. What is the fact? That fact is, according to polygon law of vectors addition, the resultant of these 6 vectors is 0. Here Rx is equal to 0. The sum of the x components of the resultant must be equal to 0. So first of all, to answer this one, this is the diagrammatical representation which was given in the textbook. Now here, first of all, A1, A2, this is the one vector, A2, A3, this is another vector, A3, A4, another vector, A4, A5, another vector, A5, A6, another vector, A6, A1, this is another vector. All are taken in order. In the question, 6 sides taken in order. Like that we took. But here they gave this one is 60 degrees. That is, first of all, we have to represent the angles. First, here x-axis. To write the components of vectors, x components of the vectors, we have to represent the angles. So first of all, from A1, A2, this A1, A2 vector makes an angle with the x-axis is 0. And A2, A3, which makes an angle with x-axis 60 degrees, this one we will take as pi by 3. Now, A2, A3, A4, which makes an angle with x-axis. Which makes an angle with the x-axis. That is, what is this angle? Here, 60, that is pi by 3. And this one is also pi by 3. So here, pi by 3. And here also pi by 3. Total angle is 2 pi by 3. So what is 2 pi by 3? 120 degrees. Now, the angle which must be A4, A5, which makes an angle. So it is the x-axis. It is extension of this vector. And here along with the x-axis, this vector makes an angle. Already we know this one is 2 pi by 3 and again this one is pi by 3. 2 pi by 3, again pi by 3. This angle is 3 pi by 3 is equal to 120 plus 60. This is 180 degrees. Now, again it is extended like this x-axis. With that, this one makes an angle with this. Here this is already 180 degrees plus 60. So how much here? 4 pi by 3 is equal to 240 degrees. Now A5, A6 makes an angle with x-axis. So here this is. Now what happens here? A5, A6 makes an angle with x-axis 240 degrees. Now A6, A1 which makes an angle with x-axis. So from here to here already 180 and this one is 60 and here another 60. So how much here? 5 pi by 3 is equal to 300 degrees. So the angles of vectors which makes an x-axis, those are 0 degrees, 60 degrees, 120 degrees, 180 degrees, 240 degrees and 300 degrees. Now to answer or write the x component of all these vectors, it is a regular hexagon. So that's why we'll take all the sides as A. First of all, I will write the x component of a1, a2, that is equal to a cos 0. This one completed. Now we will go with this. That is x component of a2, a3. That is a2, a3. What is the angle here? A cos pi by 3. Now another one, that is x component of a3, a4. That is equal to a cos 2 pi by 3. That is a3, a4, 2 pi by 3. Now another one, that is here x component of a4 and a5 is equal to a cos 3 pi by 3. Similarly, x component of a5 and a6 is equal to a cos 4 pi by 3. Finally, x component of a6 and a1 is equal to a cos 5 pi by 3. So these are the x components of all the vectors. After writing all the x components of the vectors, now we have to prove this one. What we have to prove here? Cos 0, I will write here, plus cos pi by 3 is nothing but cos 60 degrees, plus cos 2 pi by 3 is nothing but cos 120 degrees, plus cos 3 pi by 3 cos 180 degrees, plus cos 4 by 3 4 pi by 3 cos 240 degrees, 5 pi by 3 cos 300 degrees. Now what about the value of cos 0? 1, plus cos 60 1 by 2, plus cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2, plus cos 180 minus 1, plus cos 120 degrees minus 1 by 2, cos 300, that is plus 1 by 2. So here minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, minus 1, plus 1, plus half, minus half. There we are getting answer is 0. Hence it is proved. This is the solution for question number 12. Those who are watching my channel for the first time, like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.